In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a horizontal scroll section with premium add-ons for Elementor. We'll start inside your WordPress dashboard. From there, head over to the Elementor editor area so you're working in the right environment before building anything. The goal here is to create individual slide templates first and then connect them inside the horizontal scroll widget. Next, go to Templates and click Add New in your WordPress dashboard. When the template window appears, choose Section or Page if that better fits your setup. Give the template a clear name, such as Slide 1, and then click Create Template. Using simple names makes it much easier to stay organized later when you're assigning each slide inside the widget settings. Now build out the content for your first slide. As you design it, open the section settings and make sure the minimum height is set to 100 VH. This is important because it makes each slide fill the full screen height for a cleaner horizontal scrolling effect. Also, turn off the stretch section option so the layout behaves properly inside the scroll container. Once your first slide looks the way you want, repeat the same process to create templates for all of your horizontal slides. After that, publish and save each one. Taking a moment to confirm every template is saved correctly will prevent issues when you insert them later. With your templates ready, open the page where you want the horizontal scrolling effect to appear in the Elementor editor. In the widget panel, search for the premium horizontal scroll widget and drag it onto the page. In the widget settings, stay under the Content tab and expand the Sections or Items area. Click Add Item for each slide you want to include. For every item you add, set the source dropdown to Template. Then choose the specific Elementor template you created for that slide. This is the step that pulls your saved slide designs into the horizontal scrolling section. After your slides are assigned, go to the Advanced Settings tab inside the horizontal scroll widget. Here you can fine-tune the experience by adjusting options like slides in viewport, scroll type, and scroll speed. These controls affect how many slides are visible, how the animation feels, and how quickly users move through the section, so it's worth previewing the page as you make changes. Finally, configure the responsiveness settings. This helps ensure your horizontal scroll section looks good and functions properly across desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Once that's done, preview your page and make any final adjustments needed for spacing, motion, and overall flow. And that's how you create a horizontal scroll section with premium add-ons for Elementor.